Here we have a 2017 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. This Grand Sport is black on black with red stitching. And it also comes with a Grand Sport Heritage package. Got your dual mode exhaust there. Slided brake rotors and your red calipers. Your front splitter right there. And your Grand Sport hash marks. Here are your power windows, power door locks, memory seats, Bose sound system, controls for your power mirrors and heads-up display. Got your body color removable top. And a lot of people don't know this, but to pop the trunks on the newer Corvettes, you just go down here, there's a button. You just press up on it. There's that cargo space there. You can fit a couple of golf bags back there. And there's your power passenger seat. And both of these seats are heated and cooled and have your red seat belts. You also have your Grand Sport black aluminum wheels. And this is I want to say it's a 3LT, so it comes with your performance data recorder, navigation system. Got your XM traffic, and you can download a few other apps as well. Fox Sports, iHeartRadio. We'll take a look at the data recorder right there. You can just record certain sessions if you're on the racetrack or something like that. And there is your front camera right there. So if you're getting close to the curb or something, you can make sure you don't scrub it. There's your nav, backup camera. You've got your controls for your AC. Like I said before, your heated and cooled seats. There's your 8-speed automatic shifter. We've got it in tour mode now. There's the exhaust. And this is track mode. You've also got sport, and then your eco and snow and ice. I'm just gonna zoom in on that heads-up display there. And that's just a quick tour of the 2017 Grand Sport. And we're gonna go ahead and take it on a test drive. All right, here we go. Sounds so good even in tour mode. But we're gonna put in sport. Then we're gonna shift with the paddles. Listen to those downshifts. This is just nothing like the roar of a Corvette. All right, we're gonna put it in automatic mode. Just raw, seamless power. And even with the suspension on these, it's not a bad ride. I probably could, I'm 6'2", I could probably daily drive this. As you can see, my knees can still fit underneath the steering wheel, unlike a Miata. I mean, I wouldn't recommend taking a 10-hour road trip in it, but I mean, it could be done. Especially if you're having this much fun driving it. It's a steady ride. It's extremely low to the ground, so I'm getting every single bump. But for the most part, it's what I would expect from a Corvette. It's fun to drive. Woo! I feel like the new C8s aren't going to be able to give you that that tail spin, if you will, whenever you hit the gas. But that exhaust, I love this exhaust. It just sounds incredible. Of course, you got your Brembo brakes, so stopping is no problem. And I can still hear the motor, but I mean, it's just like a slight purr. Like I can listen to it all day. It just sounds good. And it's a steady idle, so it's not rocking me too much. But I mean, honestly, if you're looking at this car, you don't care about all that. You want a Corvette and just the power, the speed, the acceleration, that's why you want it, and that's all that really matters. But they've come a long way with the ride comfort and everything, just the seating. And this is just so much fun to drive. I've driven Z06s, I've driven Stingrays, Z51s, this Grand Sport, and there's just nothing like driving a Corvette. Every time I get behind the wheel of one, it just puts a smile on my face. And I mean, they're light and nimble. You've got a 6.2 liter V8 going through an 8-speed automatic transmission. And going down this back road, the ride is pretty, I mean, it's pretty controlled. It's not the smoothest ride, but like I said, I'm driving a Corvette, so I don't even really care. And I can just feel the attention that this car brings as I'm passing people, as I'm passing, like I just passed the BMW M2 earlier that revved its engine at me. Just being behind the wheel of this car, it's a Corvette. And it brings that attention with you wherever you go. we're gonna see how it takes this bump. I only was going 35, but not harsh at all. And there you have it. That's my review of the 2017 Corvette Grand Sport.